So, why did you guys choose the subject of the sun burning out?
Well, we already knew a little bit about it, and it was interesting to us, and we just wanted to know a little bit more in depth about what will happen.
I wanted to know when it would happen, like during my lifetime or anything.
Any other comments?
Well, to Tierney's comment, it will not happen for a very long time. It'll happen in 5 to 7 billion years, so we don't have to worry about it. Hey, so I heard on the internet, so it must be true, that the world will end in 2012?
That is but an urban legend. The Mayans never said the world will end in 2012. Based off scientific facts, the world won't end for a very, very long time.
Oh, how will the world end then?
The sun is going to burn out eventually.
So, Grandma, where is your proof then?
Right here.
Oh. Okay.
Wow, Grandma, that's such a cool model. Where did you get it?
This is my tchotchke. I never leave my bed without it.
To better explain this, we need to understand. The sun is a star. Stars are born. They live and they die. In a way, they are just like humans. Or even dogs. Woof.
Very good, Einsteina. Once the sun runs out of hydrogen, it will expand into a red star.
Fortunately, the sun won't engulf us completely.
But it will be pumping out 1,000 times more energy, making life on Earth unbearable. And adding to the torture, the solar winds will become a tropical storm that will make radio communication impossible, and maybe even evaporate the Earth's atmosphere and water supplies altogether. On the bright side, if humanity is still around, we might have found a way to relocate onto Saturn or Jupiter, and we could use one of Jupiter's moons as a water source, since the warmth from the sun will have melted the ice that's on it. I was wondering, what would be the size of the sun compared to the size of a red giant that it will eventually turn into?
I'll Google it. Found it. The sun times 200 would equal a red giant. So, it's like turning 1 pea into around 4 watermelons.
Whoa, that's pretty big.
So, do you guys know what each stage of the sun's ending is?
Why, yes, child. First, the sun will become a red giant. Then it will explode into a planetary nebula, then into a white dwarf, and then into a black dwarf.
So, what will happen when the sun, explodes?
Two scenarios of what could happen when the sun burns out. The first one is that the sun will get so hot it will implode, leaving the Earth to freeze because there would be no heat source without the sun. And that would happen in 5 to 7 billion years. The second scenario is that the sun will turn into a red giant, getting the Earth so overheated it would get so hot it would boil our oceans and evaporate all water.
So, speaking of stars, most stars, when they die, they turn into black holes. But the sun is too small to turn into one, so it's not going to turn into a black hole. So, Ruth, was our topic about the sun burning out eventually busted or not?
It wasn't busted because the sun will burn out eventually, just like all other stars. But we don't have to worry about it. It won't happen for a long time. 5 to 7 billion years.
So, speaking of stars,
You think?
okay, ready? Action? Yeah.
She could play 5 seconds ago. Stop it.